Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another project. Today we're going to be cleaning up this 814 Proto. This is a 14-inch pipe wrench. It definitely needs a service. Got to get this funky paint off there. I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, the 814 Proto Pipe Wrench. It's got a bunch of funky, nasty paint on there. We need to get that off there. I want to get this down to bare metal and looking nice. So, let's do this. I'm not going to take the pin out of it. I can work around everything I need to right here. The spring is still in good shape too. That's cool. But yeah, I don't want to bust that pin out of there. I always have a hard time getting those out, and well, we can work around that, no big deal. Alright, so let me grab a piece of cardboard. We're going to strip some paint off this. Give me a minute. Alrighty, well, we got us some clean strip. We're going to throw this on the wrench, brush it on, and we're going to let it sit a little while, let it do its magic. Try and get the bulk of that funky paint off there. Putting it on thick. Like I said, I'm just going to let it do its thing. We'll let that sit about a half hour. And maybe longer. It's a little chilly today. We'll let that sit about an hour. Then we'll come back to it. Well, as you guys can see, stripper didn't really do much on this paint. Yes, it's working a little bit, but it's not working at all with the paintbrush. So I'm going to go over it with a steel wool, see if that'll take some of it off. Help me out a little bit with this. Yeah, it's working. Kind of figured it would, but boy, somebody really painted the hell out of this. It's all on the teeth, it's in the threads, all down in the crevices. This will have to definitely be wire wheeled real good. Excuse me. Alrighty guys, well here it is after the stripper. It didn't do too bad. There's still paint all up in the crevices and stuff like that. We're going to throw this on the wire wheel, get this all cleaned up and try and get as much of that off there as possible. Alright guys, well this is right off of the wire wheel, and to be honest with you, I kind of like it like this. It's got all of the imperfections. It still has the old patina left on there. There's no rust, there's no paint, which is great. But you can see all the history that is left in this thing. And, well, to be honest with you, I kind of want to keep it this way. I think it looks good. And when this is all put together, look at how that's going to look. That's going to look fantastic. It still looks grimy, it still looks grungy, but it's clean. You know what I mean? So I'm kind of leading towards we're just going to leave this alone. We might wax it. We might wax it and just finish this video out that way. Or we might spray a lacquer on it. I'm not quite sure. Because I don't want it to rust back up. I don't know. I'll think about it and we'll figure out what we're going to do with it. So, let me think about it and we'll come right back. Alright guys, I decided I'd highlight a couple little things on there and then wax it up with some Johnson's paste wax. So let me go do that and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Well, the wrench I think came out pretty good. I'm really liking it. Trying to get the bulk of this Johnson's back off there. The highlighted portion on this didn't come out as good as I thought it was going to, but that's okay. I could still see it a little bit. But I'm liking that. I'm liking that a lot, actually. So, right there's a Proto 814. If you can see, there's just a little tiny bit of red in there. I tried using a paint pen, but it just wouldn't stay in there. The little bit that's left, I think it's cool. You know, kind of looks like it's worn away or something, you know. But all in all, I think it came out pretty good. I do like the blotchiness of the metal. Alright, let's put this back together. I am really digging this wrench. And I know guys, it's just a pipe wrench, but well, it's a proto pipe wrench. And I like it. And I do like that. I do like that worn look to it. Kind of natural. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. But I really do like that natural look, and I think it'll look fantastic hanging up on the wall. So, that's it for this one. Alrighty guys, well the Proto 814 came out just absolutely fantastic, I think. The natural look, it's just clean metal. We didn't go crazy, we didn't do any sanding at all. We just used the wire wheel, a couple of little wire attachments on my drill, and that is it. Got off all that funky paint. I tried doing a colorful inlay on the 814 Proto. Most of it came right out. There's a faint little hint of it, which I think is kind of cool because it gives it like a little worn look. And we waxed it up with some Johnson's paste wax. So this thing's an absolute mover, shaker, and worker. So this thing is sweet. Let's go hang it on the wall. That's it, guys. Like always, stay safe, be safe, and we will see you next week with another. Bye.